After months of relentless rain and worldwide flooding, Genesis chapter 8 begins with a powerful reminder: God remembered Noah. As the waters began to recede, God sent a wind over the earth, and the fountains of the deep and the windows of heaven were closed. The ark rested on the mountains of Ararat as the waters slowly decreased. After 40 days, Noah opened a window and sent out a raven, then a dove, to check if the land has dried. The dove turned at first, finding no resting place, but after 7 days it came back with an olive leaf, signaling new life. After another week, the dove did not return, and Noah knew the earth was dry. Then God commanded Noah, his family, and every animal to leave the ark and fill the earth again. In gratitude, Noah built an altar and offered sacrifices to the Lord. God was pleased and promised never to curse the ground again or destroy all life with a flood. He made a covenant of mercy, declaring that as long as the earth remains, seasons, day and night, seed time and harvest will never cease. Genesis 8 is a beautiful picture of hope, new beginning, and God's unchanging faithfulness.